Hey everyone, and welcome to our chapter on operators. In operators, we have both basic operators or arithmetic operators as they're called, which is what we use in math that we all know and love. And we also have a couple of additional operators that are used specifically for coding. So let's jump right into it and learn from examples. The first operator that we have is the addition operator. Basically, if we take 3 candies and we add another candy, then we have a total of 5 candies. The second operator that we have is the subtraction operator. We had 3 candies, now we remove 2 candies, so we're left with 1 candy. The subtraction. The third one that we have is the multiplication operator. We use an asterisk sign in order to call the multiplication operator, and it basically means if we have 2 people and each of them get 3 candies, then we have a total of 6 candies. Now the next operator that we have is the division operator. If we have 10 candies and we have 3 friends and we're dividing our candies between our friends, then 10 divided by 3 is going to be 3 with a remainder of 1/3. Now we have something called integer division. Integer division basically means that I only want to know what is the whole amount that's left. So if I take 10 candies and I divide it by 3 of my friends, it means that each friend received only 3 candies because we can't split a candy into 3. So 1 is left out. We don't count the extra remainder that we have left. On the other hand, we have the exact opposite. We have the modulus. The modulus, we use a percentage sign. So if, for example, I have 10 friends and I'm splitting my candies into 3, then it means that I have 1 remaining candy. So what we're going to be receiving from the modulus is 1. That means that we have 1 leftover candy. And finally, we have the exponent, which we know from advanced mathematics, which basically means if I want 2 in the power of 3, that will be 8 because it means 2 times 2 times 2. The way that we do this is by using the asterisk sign twice. Now it's your turn to go ahead and start exercising these basic operators in Python.